night calling.
I'm nothing to live for, damn it.
Cody?
Ow. That looks so fun. Ow.
Try it.
I'm not doing it.
Alright, go, Maya.
Whoa, you got cut all over. Oh, so fun. I landed on it, I bounced off it.
Do it.
I almost landed it, but I landed on my ass on the ground. I didn't touch the tree. Fuck me!
Cody,
Oh,
you know how you just said fuck me? I don't think I want to. E. You almost landed that.
Kneecap. Kneecap. Kneecap.
Alright,
I jumped way too soon.
are we gonna try that one thing?
No.
Yes!
No. I trust it. Go. Okay. Oh, shit. I'm stuck, damn it. Oh, it's clear over you. No, don't.
No, stop. Let him go over you, dude.
Let it go right over.
Hold on, wait. Let me get this shit.
Oh, shit, there's a big spider on me.
Let me get this shit.
How's your...
Alright, ready? Y'all are gonna fuck this shit
I'm
up.
tired now. Okay, let's go.
Oh, shit.
What? It's a bitch to get up here.
Hold on, look at what he did. Be careful. Can you do that, Cody?
Only a jump. Where's the other one? I don't have to grab anything.